Well, we're only a few miles away and we're heading up, so this should be good. Fingers crossed. Power! Here's the entrance to this pass. Let's see how epic this is. Big moment. Turn the key on. Big moment. Let's get that over there. Let's go. Woohoo! Let's check out this pass then. Come on, monkey. Come on, girl. Woo! Yeah, baby. So that pass I was on has just led me right back to the beginning of Hardnock pass. So I am literally just turned off of it instead and ended up this way. So I am just exploring, but oh wow, just wow. So I have no idea where I'm going, but it's pretty, very pretty.
When I think about the way we used to be, when I think about the things you took from me, I know that I am so much better, better. When I look at what I've done, now that we're apart, when I look at what I've won, I've come so far. I know I'm so much better off, and baby, you don't belong.
Yeah, the one thing about adventure is when you go off the beaten track a little bit and you end up finding stuff like this and you just go, oh my days, where will this little gem take us? Well, I've just proper winged it, is the only way I can express it, because just look at what's in front of me. Just, oh my days. I mean, this, it's like being totally gazeboed on fake Stella Artois and just dreaming about this kind of stuff. Just, oh wow.
When I saw you, I would lose control. Made me feel like there was no tomorrow. Should've told you that you're beautiful, but the days pass and now it's so long ago. Did you make it? Did you break free? Did you manage to be who you wanna be? Maybe somewhere you think about me too. I wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now? Wonder where are you now?
Just look at that. Just look at that. Well, he has, well, she has the polite jacket on. Do I have to say any more? Anyway, we've seen it. I've droned it. Now I'm going to ride it. This is just absolutely out of this world. I probably put the sat nav on because I haven't got a clue where I am. Now, Hardnock Pass is over there somewhere. I'm sure somebody will say, but I don't really care. I just care about how awesome this is. Let's go. Open up the heavens. I mean, this is just what we dream about. Woohoo! How anyone could ever say that this great country has not got a lot to offer are nuts. You need to ride it. Whoa! It's not the best road surface in the world. Look at it though. It's just beautiful. Well, this has got to be at least 30% down. Whoa! Go, 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 go! Woo! Oh, I can tell you the brakes work well. Oh! Do you know what? I've just put the monkey cycle camper destination in the sat nav, the campsite we're staying at, and it's 30 miles. I'll get there for nearly 4 p.m. I'm going to poodle there nice and chilled, get back and enjoy a beer. Been on the road pretty much, it's obviously since I left. I don't really stop for very long anywhere. I get bored. and I've got all day tomorrow to explore again. So I'm gonna head back, I'm gonna open a beer, and I'm gonna come up with a plan for tomorrow, I think, or at least find somewhere I can aim for tomorrow. But what an incredible first proper day in the Lake District. It's just, I love it. It's just, I've had so much fun. It is just absolutely giggle madness all day, and what a beautiful, beautiful sight. I've fallen in love with the place.
You're taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah, 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 yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah, yeah. Baby, you